Welcome to the video tutorials for the Q-Cells Rooftop Planner. This video covers statics. The statics section shows the ballast plan for aerodynamic systems so that you can assess the ballast and create the ballast plans required for laying. In the ribbon, you will find the buttons for exporting the plan to DXF, DWG, and PDF formats. In addition, the Export Generator Field Details function, in which each generator field has its own page in the exported PDF, is also available. The export functions are the same as in the CAD plan area, and the operation functions are similar to those in the CAD plan and position areas. In the right section of the ribbon, you will find an explanation and the average area load per square meter. In the case of the east-west Q-flat system, you can see that all modules are marked in different colors. This color coding shows the assignment of the modules in the respective view definition as it is stored in the wind report. Enlarge the view to read the information contained in each elevation element, in this case, an east-west module block. The abbreviation UPL stands for uplift, and the weight value indicates how much weight must be introduced into the elevation element to counter lifting. The abbreviation SLI stands for sliding, and the weight value indicates how much weight must be introduced into the elevation element to counter sliding.